So we only have two more steps to go. So in step 6 here, we're going to develop the login status component for the login, logout buttons. Just move back into my terminal window here. And I'll do this ng generate component. Components / login status. Alrighty, we can kind of zoom out a bit and take a look at all these new files it just created for us. So here's our login status with the supporting files. All right, so with this, I'll actually get started with our login status component.ts file, our TypeScript file. And I'll move in and I'll define two fields. I'll have a field for is authenticated, that's a Boolean. And also a field here for the user full name as a string. In my constructor, I'm going to inject this Okta auth service. Make sure our imports are fine up top. Okay, that's fine. Good. And now I'll move down here to this ng onInit method. Let me kind of zoom in here for a bit. And so basically what I want to do here is subscribe to the authentication state for state changes on this Okta auth service. So I'll have a .subscribe. And so we'll get a result. And I'll simply assign this result to is authenticated. And then also what I'll do is I'll make a call to this method here, get user details, because I want to get the user's name or the user's full name. So I'll go ahead and create this method. So I'll kind of move down here to the bottom. So here's our get user details. So here I only want to get the user's details if they're actually authenticated, if that's true. We'll fetch the logged in user details, the user's claims. The user full name is exposed as a property name. So here we'll have get user Then once we get the result, we'll make the assignment. And so the result here, this.user full name equals result.name. Okay, and so we have one more item that we need to add here, a logout method. So during the logout, we want to terminate the session with Okta and also remove the current tokens. So we'll make use of .signout and it'll handle all of that work for us behind the scenes.